All right, hello and welcome. We're ready to get started with the GroupCheck app. So if you're on this main page of where I'm keeping the app, you're going to scroll down and the two spreadsheets you're going to need are right here. So you're going to click those and it's going to ask you to make a copy of my spreadsheet. And when you do that, not only is the spreadsheet going to copy, but also all the programming that I've done. So you're going to make a copy of that and you're going to want to do this for each class period that you have. So if you teach 6 classes, you would need to make 6 copies of the spreadsheet. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing with the student data spreadsheet. Make a copy. And so just a suggestion, I would just make one folder where you keep all of the spreadsheets for all of your classes. I think that would probably make it the easiest, and just have like a common naming scheme where you put like the class period and stuff like that. Okay, so just waiting for all this to copy over, and I'm going to clean this up and take some of this out, but I just wanted to show you guys how it all worked first. So I've got some stuff already in here. So I have some dummy names in here. Obviously your roster is going to go right there, but you can leave these here if you just want to play with it. Maybe you don't have your rosters yet, stuff like that. So the first thing you're going to need to do is enable your scripts to run. And so that sounds like big and scary. All that means is you need to give Google permission to use my code that I did. So we're just waiting on these buttons to load, and then I'll show you how to do that really quick. Okay, so here's my blue buttons. This is where all of my scripts are. So when you click these, things are going to happen behind the scenes. So like just checking all of the check marks, for instance. If you click any of the buttons, this thing's going to pop up first. Here it says authorization required. So you're going to hit continue. And then this box is going to pop up and it's going to look like big and scary, but all it means is Google does not know my code, right? So it doesn't know whether it's scary or not. I promise it's not. I've tested it a million times. But all you got to do is sign into your Google account, and then it says Google hasn't verified this app. So they just haven't looked at it, that kind of thing. This is just something that somebody made. So click advanced. You're going to go down to go to formatting, click that, or whatever one you click on, it'll probably be slightly different. And then it's just going to allow all my scripts to work. So once you click allow, I believe they will all work after that. You don't have to do like each one individually or anything like that. So all the scripts on this spreadsheet will work. So you'll just have to do this each time you set up a new spreadsheet. So you'll do it, if you had 6 classes, you would do it 6 times and then you're done, and then it should all work from there. Okay, and then you'll have to do the exact same thing in the student data spreadsheet. So like there's a blue button that'll pop up here in a second on the summary page that says like sync. So we'll just click that and we'll authorize and do the same thing. And once you got that, then you're good to kind of get started.